2021 fitness goals. Have you guys been thinking about getting into functional fitness, CrossFit, etc.? Today I'm going to be going over a few tips on how you guys can get started, how you even go about getting into it. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Welcome back, Rodrigo here, Breakfast Club CTG. We back in this beat. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to go about getting into CrossFit, getting into functional fitness. I know a lot of you guys are CrossFit vets or already in CrossFit, so just sit back, enjoy the CrossFit workout here that we're gonna do. This video is more directed toward those new people, new to the channel or new to CrossFit, new to functional fitness, or maybe they've been watching me for a little bit, but they're not really into CrossFit or functional fitness. They just enjoy the content and you guys kind of want to try it out this year. So let's go ahead and dive into my first tip. So you guys don't know where to start. Luckily you guys found this video. I'm here to save you all that trouble, that hassle, guys. So first things first, you want to find a program that you guys can follow and stick to that has hopefully video instructions of the exercises that way you guys can follow along pretty easily. Next thing is finding a gym or box. Now why I put that second is because during the times that we're in right now, many gyms are closed. They're not really up and running operationally, but you guys can get a program online that you guys can follow. Hopefully the teachers there instructing you guys step by step on how to do exercises, etc. Basically the programming in the gym kind of are both step one. If you guys find a gym, you guys are going to find instructors there. They're going to go over different exercise movements step by step. If you guys don't have access to a gym like me, my CrossFit gym closed in my city, so if I was trying to start CrossFit this year, I would just look it up on YouTube. I'd look up Shots G, some CrossFit videos there. He makes garage gym videos as well, or I'd look for like a trusty source maybe over on Instagram for workouts that I could copy, and then if that person's selling a program, I would go ahead and purchase the program. So right off the bat, guys, you guys can follow me here, Shots G, for some CrossFit workouts. Do a bunch of my older workouts. I've done a lot of them at home, and it's equipment that you guys have pretty good access to. Other than that, I would highly recommend Marcus Philly. He's an amazing functional fitness, functional bodybuilding is what his program's called. He's an amazing trainer, I guess you could say, content creator, whatever you want to call it, but he has his own program. Highly recommend it. I've done it myself, the functional bodybuilding program myself. Another person that you guys can follow is Ryan Fisher. I've done a few of his workouts. I do have YouTube videos on a couple of those workouts that I did, so go ahead and check them out. But he also does, I think it's it's not functional bodybuilding. 6.5 hours later. It's called HIB, High Intensity Interval Bodybuilding. Awesome program, guys. Super high intensity. It's gnarly. It's like just a classic painful style of training, but it's awesome. I absolutely loved it. So go ahead, check them out. Also, another person that has functional fitness workouts is Ollie Marchin over at Marchin Fitness. It's Marchon. Also, the boy Chad Gaines, Chad or Charlie Marchin. These guys are over in the UK. They do functional fitness and really inspired me to get into functional fitness at first and kind of what I followed along. Also done a few of their programs. Awesome guys, love them. So go ahead, check them out, guys. But if you guys want to just do workouts and follow along, subscribe to this channel, guys, because new videos every week. Next is going to be get some equipment. So if you guys just have like a dumbbell, a kettlebell, barbell, hopefully, and then some sort of cardio piece, whether that be a jump rope or that's an assault bike, a biker, whatever it may be, guys, check out some of my garage gym build out videos where I show you guys a few products that I bought for my garage gym to kind of get me going on these CrossFit workouts, functional fitness workouts. But that's kind of how I got started there. Also, don't worry if you don't have a lot of money, guys. You guys can do so many forms of workouts, just body weight. Also, all you basically need is like a pull-up bar and a dumbbell. You get amazing workouts. You got your 2 feet and a jump rope, amazing cardio pieces there. So don't worry if you're very limited on equipment. So we're in tough times right now, guys, but that shouldn't be an excuse. You'll either find a way or you'll find an excuse. So let's find a way, guys. Next thing is going to be just kind of get some gear. So first and foremost, you want to be in some comfortable gym clothes. I highly recommend Virus International. Your boy is partnered with them and I'm a brand ambassador for them, guys, and I would not have done this if I didn't believe in their clothing. First and foremost, I'm a huge clothing guy. That's why I decided to even get fit in the first place, was because I wanted to look good in clothes. And then gym clothes came along and same deal, guys. I just my personal style, just something I'm into, and Virus International provides you with style, comfort, and performance, guys. It's out of the park. Like, the quality is amazing, the comfort is out of this world, and just how sleek and just cool it looks is awesome. It's next level. If you guys want to pick any of their gear, like I'm wearing right now, their Eco Thread tank top, one of the softest, most comfortable tank tops I've ever worn. It's currently like 9 p.m. right now, and I'm wearing it just as a loungewear shirt, but it also is amazing during your workouts. Whenever you drench it in sweat, it's not going to stick to you, it's not going to get you overly hot. It's actually nice and cool. cool. Amazing, guys. Anyways, code SHOTS G10 SHAWTS 10, all capitals, for 10% off your order. It supports me, helps me grow, helps you guys get swagged out for the gym and looking like you guys know what you're doing. Also, stay tuned for a huge haul video coming next week. Moving on, besides the clothing, you're gonna need some shoes. So right off the bat, I recommend the Nike Metcon series or the Reebok Nanos. I personally recommend the Nano 8s. Amazing shoe, absolutely love them. Or the Metcon 4s and Metcon 5s. Super awesome shoe. The Metcon 5 is a little bit more comfortable, and they come with a little lifted heel, which I'll get more into later on in the video, but that kind of comes with one already, so you don't have to buy an additional pair of shoes, which is lifting shoes. So next thing, lifting shoes, guys. So these are actually a pair of shoes that has the heel elevated like this, and then the shoe like that. What that does is gives you extra support, extra stability in the ankle for different movements such as the squat, front squat, deadlift, power clean, snatch, etc. You name it. These are awesome shoes for that. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to increase a lot of your performance and numbers, hopefully. But yeah, those are a little pricey. They're on, $100 to $200 mark. Like I said, those Metcon 5s come with a little heel insert that kind of acts like that. Not as big and bulky and heavy, but it still gets the job done. So that's an alternative for you guys. But I highly recommend the Nike Romaleos 3. I love them. I just love the look of them. Obviously, they're probably a little harder to get, but I'm a shoe guy. I used to sling shoes in college, so jumped on eBay, talked down a few people, got them for like $60 to $80, I think, brand new. Also, the Reebok Legacy lifters. These are my summer shoes, my summer lifters, black and just the lime green just pop. I just love them, guys. Might as well have fun with your outfits, right? If we're doing something hard voluntarily, gotta enjoy it. But yeah, go check them out. Links are gonna be in the description for that. It also helps me out, guys. Those are affiliate links to help your boy out, helps me make more videos. Moving on, guys, get you guys some knee sleeves. Knee sleeves are gonna help you on those really squat intensive days, maybe a lot of lunges that day, wall balls, etc. Get on some knee sleeves. What that does is it keeps your knees warm. It gives you guys some support, and there's also different tensions, I guess you could say. I can't remember if it's like 3, 5, and 8. There are different tensions, so how tight and compressed they are on your knee. I just have a little medium range one, which is kind of good for everything. It's good for lifting. It's good for just normal workouts that have a lot of squatting in them. If you want some for heavy loads, then I recommend you going with like the highest tension ones. And I know a lot of people swap them out. So for their strength piece, for like a heavy day, they'll put on the, heavier compression ones, and then they'll swap them out for the actual Metcon workout. They'll throw on like a lighter pair. That way just keeps their knees warm. It keeps them going through the workout. Moving on, you got to take care of your hands, guys. First and foremost, I'm going to recommend some grips, guys. Get yourself some grips. They're going to save you a lot of skin, blood, and hopefully some tears, because it hurts like a and it is just super painful and annoying whenever you rip your callus and rip your hands. Whenever I first started CrossFit, guys, functional fitness, my hands were always jacked up. The insides of my skin was just gone, callus tore up, bleeding, could barely grip the bar sometimes, but that was just because of me and my ego, and I was like, oh yeah, I gotta bleed and this and that. But get yourself some grips, chalk up a little bit. That's gonna save you a lot on, pull-ups, on toes to bar, things like that. They just come in handy, guys, so I highly recommend some grips. I have a pair that double as wrist straps, and that's gonna lead into the next thing. Get yourself some wrist straps, guys. We do a lot of front squats. We do a lot of shoulder stuff overhead, like shoulder press, push press. What do we do? Push jerks, etc. Wrist straps just give you a lot more. They just keep your wrists nice and tight and firm, so you guys can push more weight, so you stay safe, etc. I wouldn't use them all the time, just maybe those heavier loads, but also practice not using them as well. That way your wrists get strong and you get some strength. Next is a belt. A lot of gyms, if you're going to the gym, might provide belts. I would recommend just getting your own, guys. It's more of like a, hey, this is my pride and joy here. I hit some big numbers with this bad boy. It stays with me at all times. Get yourself a belt. I recommend this Rogue belt here. I have a YouTube video on the Rogue belt that I recommend, that I use and absolutely love. It's super cheap too. Go ahead and cop one of those, guys. You won't regret it. Yeah, that's pretty much all the equipment I would say that I can think of right off the bat in terms of like gear that you might need. Moving on, guys, if you guys have questions on like a particular exercise movement, feel free to reach out to the coach. Don't be afraid to ask questions, guys. Get in there, ask questions, learn. Also go home, do some research on your own, jump on YouTube, watch a Shot C video, go over to Instagram, follow me there, ask me questions, DM me there, and reach out to whoever's running your program and ask them questions if you don't get something. I used to always be confused on like the layout of the writing. I couldn't even read it. It was like back squat tempo 3 1 1 1, which all that means is like 3 going down, 1 second pause in the hole, 1 second to get up, 1 second at the top. Like it gets super confusing. And also like for the weights, they use like a hashtag or like a pound sign and then the number, and that just means the weight that you're supposed to use. I was always like confused on reading that, guys. So my point here is to just ask questions if you guys don't know something. Don't feel like you're bugging someone, because that's literally their job, is to answer all your questions and concerns. So just go ahead and do that. Next, clean up your work area. Like, it almost feels like a personal training style gym, like you're getting personally trained, but you still have to clean up your weights, you still have to clean up your mess, rack everything, etc. It keeps just the environment nice and clean. Also, if you're working out at home, it'll keep your wife off your back also, and it's something to where you go into the next day nice and fresh, clean slate, etc. You put on the bars, you get all the equipment that you need. It's just like a process in itself, and just keep your area clean, keep your gym clean, guys. Do everyone a favor. All right, guys, so that's just a few things that came to the top of my head whenever I was thinking about doing this video, when thinking about starting CrossFit in 2021, guys. I know it's weird times, but hopefully that helped you. Just want to talk to you guys about my current CrossFit goals 2021, just a few of them, just to throw them out there. First and foremost, I'm working out of my garage gym, because literally there's no gym within an hour drive for me, so I got to do my own thing. Hopefully I'm going to be able to do the open this year, just because I don't belong to an affiliate anymore. I'm not too sure what's going to happen, but hopefully I can still do that and show you guys the process and, you know, just the journey. So you guys don't want to miss that. Subscribe, guys. So you guys can expect just garage gym, CrossFit, functional fitness workouts out of here, the occasional bodybuilding workout as well, but also just more on the physical side. I want to get 315 back squat for 10. I want to get like a 315 front squat. Hopefully I end up passing that and getting like 325 by the end of the year. And then I want to be able to snatch, hopefully, like at least 155. 155 would be cool, because that's body weight. So we got a few goals up on the board, guys, that we're gonna just be working on throughout the whole year, bringing you guys along, etc. Also, I want to be, just conditioning wise, I want to be my condition that I was last year, just very lean. Abs were popping all the time, just pretty diced and shredded, but I want my arms and shoulders to pop as well, guys. I want some guns, baby. See, this is from eating carbs and hitting some bodybuilding workouts today. I hit a CrossFit workout that you guys saw with the push presses and all that, and my arms were pumped, and that's from just eating carbs. Last year, I feel like I didn't eat very many carbs. I took a different approach, very little carbs, high fat, high protein, just because I was feeling really good off of that, less brain fog, etc. But I've noticed that I was just flat, guys, and it sucked. I could never get a pump whenever I did do bodybuilding workouts, things like that. But since I started eating carbs, just gnarly, ridiculous, and just feel really strong now that the carbs are in my system. So the goal of this year is to get to that conditioning as last year, but with full arms and shoulders, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, quick intermission. Just wanted to jump on here and let you guys know that your boy is officially partnered with Virus International, guys. You guys saw me have some of their gear before any of this happened, and bring you guys reviews, test it out in the field, etc. I'm so pumped to announce that, you know, I'm finally a part of their team, and I'm so excited. What that means for you guys is you guys are gonna get hooked up with 10% off your entire order. On top of that, you guys are gonna help me out, support your boy, the Breakfast Club, Crave the Grind. We're gonna be growing strong together, guys, so support your boy. You guys saw the Virus joggers in this video. The Virus Eco Thread tank top, the most comfortable tank top I've ever worn. Amazing to work out in, guys. Just a quick little interruption, back to regularly scheduled programming. Anyways, guys, drop your goals for 2021 in the comments, whether they're related to CrossFit, functional fitness. Love to hear them, guys. Also, like I said earlier in the video, gym clothing needs. Virus International code SHOTSG10. It supports your boy. It gets you guys fresh. For any supplements, guys, oneupnutrition.com, code SHOTSG. That's going to save you 20% off your entire order on top of any deals they got going on, guys. So you guys are going to get hooked up with the protein, pre-workout, greens. They got you covered. Tell them SHOTSG sent you. If you guys need help with your training and nutrition, guys, I do one-on-one coaching. Apply for that. Link is in the description. I'd love to help you guys out, and I'd love to help you make 2021 a kick-ass year where you guys finally reach those fitness goals you guys have been trying to reach. That's gonna go ahead and do it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new here, I make functional fitness videos, nutrition videos, lifestyle, tech, everything around, you know, fitness and just what I'm into, guys. So you guys don't want to miss it, guys. I'm so happy you guys stuck around to the end of this video and that you guys decided to follow me on this journey, guys. That's gonna go ahead and do it. As always, Breakfast Club CTG. We out this be.